We're just looking at some angles here, and some of our basic angles that we probably want to be knowing by now. Acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So when you think of something that's small, think of a cute bunny or cute cat, cute puppy. So think of acute something. So acute means less than 90-degree angle, and a 90-degree angle is this one here, which is a right angle. First thing we want to remember is how many degrees make one whole circle. So if we look at this one over here, it's a bit like a clock. If I move one of these arms all the way round from the top, right back to the start, that's rotated 360 degrees. If I move this arm halfway round, you have to think of what's half of 360, which is 180. If I move it from the top, and if I move it a quarter way round, which is like a quarter here, that then becomes a right angle. So it's this area here is the angle we're measuring. And when you see a right angle, you've got a little square down there to let you know that's 90 degrees. So acute angle, less than 90. Right angle is 90 degrees. The next one is obtuse angle, which is from 90 degrees up to 180 degrees. So in that case, it's from here, here's our 90-degree angle. We're going to go anything from here, so 91, 92, 93, all the way up to 180. So if it was 179, this area here would be known as an obtuse angle. If I went one more degree to make it 180 degrees, so it's a straight line, it's known as a straight angle, which is 180 degrees. So if I measured this side, that would be 180 degrees, this area here, 180 degrees, that's the little symbol. So what do you think this side would equal? We know a total of a rotation of a whole circle, 360 degrees. So this side's 180 degrees, that side must be 180 degrees. From a straight line, which is here, if we went, so normally you'd see little things like this. I want you to measure this angle. If this was 90 degrees, then this other angle here must be 270, because 360 minus 90, and I know most of you would set it out underneath, and you'd work that one out. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 9, can't do. Come over to the hundreds, I exchange that, 10 tens, this becomes 16 tens. 16 minus 9 leaves 7, 2 minus is nothing, 2. 270 degrees would this angle be. So when you get to these ones here, they don't want you to measure this one, they want you to measure this area here. And if we know a straight angle is 180 degrees, it's greater than 180 degrees because it's gone from here all the way around to here. So if I was to estimate, this is a straight line going along here. So like if I put a little center part here, it's a bit like a clock. 12 o'clock, 3, 6, 9. That's 180 degrees. And if I'm looking back here, I know this angle here is 270. Around to here is 270. If from here to here is 180. So looking at that angle here, it's somewhere in between 180 and 270. And if I was to estimate, I would say halfway between that angle there, these two angles, that's about 45 on top of that, 225, maybe about 236, roughly. 236 degrees might be about right. Maybe a little bit more, could be 240. Not sure, I'd have to get my protractor out to measure it. So reflex angle is when it's greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. So it hasn't done a full, complete rotation. And if it did a full rotation, from here all the way around, it's 360 degrees. Okay? That's pretty much your angles. So have a go at some of these in your Mathletics, and we'll put some up on the board for you as well.